Welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will look at how to configure the Loan Master. Loan Master helps to create the various loans applicable to your company. The loans created can be selected when adding new loan records. On the home page, click Transactions. Go to Spend Loan Management. Click Salary Loans and Advances. Click Loan Master under Configure. Enter the following details: the name of the loan, the abbreviation. Select the loan type from the Map to drop-down list. The type of loan is system configured and is already available. This mapping is required so that the loan perquisite is calculated as per the SBI interest rates. Enter the interest effective date. The applicable interest rate is populated based on the current prevailing rate. You can update or modify the same. Check the box is active and then click Save. The created loan will then be displayed. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.